My plan for this time, according to my little gelcoat repair, is I will of course remove all the old gelcoat I have put in last time, and then I will fill up the area here with some fiberglass with some polyester resin, and when that is cured, I will then fill up the surface here with some gelcoat, and of course overfill the hole, and then I will water sand the surface. Last time I filled the whole hole here with gelcoat, and I don't think it is a good idea, because it is cracked. As you can see, the old repair is totally cracked around in the edge, and that is not very good. The next problem is, of course, the color isn't the right one. So this time I have bought a better matching gelcoat color, and I will then also build up the hole much better so it don't crack. We also have the other hole here that is also cracked. So same problem, wrong color and cracked. I will first remove the old gelcoat by drilling it away with my Dremel tool, and then I will put on some acetone, and then apply, I don't know, 1 or 2 coats of or layers of polyester and fiberglass mat, so it gets very nice. I have now grinded away the old gelcoat, and as you can see, it is pretty thick, and I also can see a small air void inside there, but I will not grind too much, so I will fill it with some polyester. I have of course also grinded the area here, and I will then degrease the areas, and then mount some painter tape over the edges here, so I don't get any polyester resin on the good gelcoat. The tape is now mounted, and today I am of course outside, so I have put in a little extra of the hardener thing. So I will then mix the polyester resin here, and then apply the first apply the polyester. As you can see, it don't change color yet, so I think I need a bit more hardener. The fiberglass mat and the polyester resin is now applied, and the whole project here is then ready to dry overnight. I will then come back tomorrow and finish the job here. I will of course apply some gelcoat over the fiberglass here. I haven't applied any paraffin or wax to the solution here, so the fiberglass surface here will stick and be ready for the gelcoat. If I apply some wax, I can't, or I must sand before I apply the gelcoat. So to do it a bit more easy for myself, I have not added any wax. It is now the next day, and the polyester resin should be a bit sticky if it is working as it must do. Yes, it is a bit sticky, and yeah, right now I will then remove the painter tape here. So yeah, if it dries very much, then the tape here will yeah, stick very good, and I can't remove it. So it is of course best to remove it now and then put on some new when I apply the gel coat. Today it is of course very windy and yeah, very cold. It is only around yeah, 6-8 degrees Celsius. So it is pretty cold for laying up some fiberglass or gel coat. I am then sanding the surface with this water sanding paper and a sanding block from Biltema, and it is the grit 600, so it is very fine sandpaper. It is just to yeah, make everything flat, so it is ready for the gel coat. I of course, as always, degrease with some acetone when I am working with fiberglass and gel coat, and as you can see, the fiberglass repair here until now. I think I will not use any painter tape on the repair here, because I think it will be much easier to make a smooth surface. Yeah, I think I will mix the gel coat and put it on. To get the mix right, I have prepared 10 grams of gel coat, and then I will add, as you can see, it is 0.2 milliliters of hardener, and I will then also add 0.5 milliliters of the wax here, so I get the correct mix, and I am sure that everything is drying as it must do. The fiberglass repair is now finished, and it is of course raining again. So yeah, as usual, but as you can see, you can't see the repair. It is very hard to see. I can try to go on the ladder here and show you a closer look. As you can see, it is very hard to spot where the repair is. So the color match is just totally perfect. Also here it is very hard to see where I have repaired the fiberglass damage here. So I think it is totally okay. And I used the gelcoat filler here with this number here, and as you can see on the top, they're standing for Bavaria after 2003, which means you can also get a gelcoat for Bavaria boats that is older than 2003. But in 2003 they changed the color code, or the color of the gelcoat. So if you have a Bavaria, for example, from 2001, the color is different. Yeah, to fill up the hole, I of course use some polyester and some fiberglass, and when that was dry, I sanded it with my sanding block from Biltema. It is just a very cheap sanding block, and some grit 600 wet sanding paper. And yeah, when that was sanded, I filled up the hole with these flat plastic things here, and they are very good, and they are also from Biltema.